Welcome children. Hope all are you fine. Be safe at home. Always try to be the best. Today we are going to see the exercise 1.3. First question. Compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. First subdivision 2.08 and 2.086. Second subdivision 0.99 and 1.9. Third subdivision 3.53 and 3.35. Fourth subdivision 5.05 and 5.50. Fifth subdivision 123.5 and 12.35. Let us see the answers. First one 2.08 and 2.086. We can compare the given decimal numbers by using the place value table. So let us draw the place value table. First number they given 2.08, second number 2.086. Now let us place the values in the appropriate places. Ones place true, second number also ones place true. Ones place means before the decimal the first value. 10th place means after the decimal the first value. So in the first number 10th place value 0. Second one also having 0. In the first number 100th place value is 8. And in the second one also 8. Now in the first number they didn't given the 1000th place value. So we can put 0. Then in the second number the 1000th place value they given us 6. Now we have to say which one is smaller. So by comparing the ones place values they are same. Then 10th place value also same. 100th place value also same. So we have to compare the 1000th place value. 0 and 6. Which one is smaller? 0. Therefore the smaller number is 2.08. 2.08 is less than 2.086. Therefore the smaller number is 2.08. Let us see the next one. Second subdivision 0.99 and 1.9. So first we have to draw the place value table. First number they given 0.99. Second number given 1.9. So ones place values. Before the decimal the first values. In the first one 0. The second one 1. 10th place value after the decimal first number. In the first number they given 9. Second number also 9. 100th place value. After the decimal the second value 9. Here they not given anything. So therefore we can put 0. So by seeing the ones place value 0 and 1 we can compare and say which one is smaller? 0 is smaller. So our smaller number is 0.99 which is less than 1.9. Smaller number is equal to 0.99. Next one 3.53 and 3.35. The place value table. We can place the values. First one 3.53. Second one 3.35. So ones place values. The both numbers before the decimal they are 3. 10th place value after decimal. In the first number 5. Second number 3. 100th place values. In the first number 3. Second number 5. So by seeing the ones place values they are same. 3 and 3. Next going to the 10th place value we have 5 and 3. Which one is smaller? 3 is the smaller. Therefore the smaller number is 3.35. Therefore 3.53 is greater than 3.35. So smaller number is 3.35. Let us move to the next one. Fourth subdivision 5.05 and 5.50. Place values. First decimal number they given 5.05. Second decimal number 5.50. Ones place values. Before the decimal the first values 5 and 5. 10th place value after the decimal the first values. First one 0. Second one 5. 100th place value after the decimal the second values 5 0. So by comparing the ones place values, they are equal. So going to the tens place value, among 0 and 5, which one is smaller? 0. So 5.05 is less than 5.50. So smaller number is 5.05. Next one, 123.5 and 12.35. Place value table is. Next, the first decimal number they given 123.5, second number they given 12.35. Hundreds place value. Before the decimal, the third value. In the first one they given 1. Second number they not given the third value, so you can put 0. Tens place. Before the decimal, the second value 2 and here 1. Ones place value 3 and 2. Tenth place value after the decimal, first value 5, 3. Here 100th place value not given in the first number, so you put 0. And next one 5. So by seeing the hundreds place value 1 and 0, which one is smaller? 0. Therefore the smaller number is 12.35. So 123.5 is greater than 12.35. Therefore smaller number is 12.35. Let us move to the next one. Second question, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. First subdivision, given numbers are 2.35, 2.53, 5.32, 3.52, 3.25. Second one, 123.45, 123.54, 125.43, 125.34, 125.3. Let us see the answers. First subdivision. First you will see the integral parts. Integral parts means before the decimal. In the first number they have 2, second number 2, third number 5, fourth number 3, fifth number also 3. So you consider those integral parts 2, 3, 5. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So among 2, 3, 5, which one is smaller? 2. So first you consider those numbers 2.35 and 2.53. In those numbers, the 10th place value, you see 3 and 5. 10th place value 3 and 5. Among 3 and 5, which one is smaller? 3. So 2.35 is the first smaller. Next smaller 2.53. Okay. Then remaining numbers, in those we have the integral parts 3 and 5. So which one is smaller? 3. So consider those numbers 3.52 and 3.25. In those numbers, the 10th place values are 5 and 2. Among 5 and 2, which one is smaller? 2. So 3.25 is the next smaller, 3.52 is the next smaller. So remaining is 5.32 only, so that will be the last. So ascending order, we can write as 2.35, 2.53, 3.25, 3.52, 5.32. Next subdivision, second one. See, in this given numbers, the integral parts are 123, 123, 125, 125, 125. So, among 123 and 125, which one is smaller? 123. So, consider those numbers. So, in those numbers, the 10th place values are 4 and 5. First one having 10th place value 4, second one having 10th place value 5. Among 4 and 5, which one is smaller? 4. So, that will be the first. Next number, the remaining 123.54. Next, remaining 3 numbers having the integral part 125. Next, you see the 10th place values. First one having 4. Second one having 3, last one also having 3. So consider the last two numbers having same 10th place value 3. So you have to consider the 100th place value in those. 100th place values are 4 and here not given means you consider as 0. So 4 and 0, which one is smaller? 0. Therefore 125.3 will be the third one. And 125.34 will be the fourth one and the remaining will be fifth one. So our ascending order will be 123.45, 123.54, 125.3, 125.34 and 125.43. Thank you children. Revise all the questions. If you have any doubts means ask with the concerned teachers. Thank you.